Every time I think of new topic for sound redesign series, I can't go further than to sci-fi. And when we talk about sci-fi, then obviously Star Wars comes to my mind. And when I listen to those sounds, I usually start recreating them. Please stop me from doing this, because this channel is going to be even more boring if I continue. Anyway, resistance is futile. This time you're going to see how I made this. Yep, a Tie Fighter-like flyby sound. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the thumb up button if you like this video. Burnbird doesn't talk much about his techniques or the exact way he created his sounds. I was trying to do a lightsaber sound once, and the result was quite satisfying. You can watch it here. So I was able to find on the internet that Bird used elephant, race car, a jet plane or a rocket. And that's a good point to start. I wanted to recreate this in a similar way. First thing to do was to find appropriate elephant sound, a scream or a roar. So I started looking through my libraries. First Soundly, then the other ones, and guess what? Not even one close to what I was looking for. Besides one from Golden Library, which was old and in very bad quality. So I started looking through Envato Elements, where I have a subscription, and I found a baby elephant scream, which was closest to what I was looking for. But when I was searching through my libraries, I found an elephant trumping. And I thought, why don't I use it instead of a race car sound? Because it is kinda similar to Formula 1 cars. So I have the basics. I must say I couldn't get the exact sound like those from Star Wars, but I'm sure if I would like to go more through paid libraries, or if I had an elephant at home, which is kinda difficult in Poland where I live, then the result will be closer to the original. Let's see the Logic project. I really spent a lot of time working on different elephant sounds before I found this one. First thing I did was making a loop of screaming animal. Crossfades, bounce, and here it is. Later, I trimmed the trumping sound to match my flyby duration, which was around 3 seconds. First of all, flexing. And now the magic, plugins. I had literally towers made of them here before I realized that this is not about the plugins, it's about the samples. Pitching. Pumping the mids up. Exciter to make this more harsh. And chorus. I think they used some of modulation effects with this one. First layer is completed, and I think this sound can also be used for designing the interior scenes from TIE Fighters. Now to the baby elephant roar. First I did the loop from multiple roars, later I took a sample and flexed it. The plugins I used are similar to the previous chain. Pitching, exciter, and modulation.
I can hear a TIE Flyby here.
And when it comes to the Imperial fighter scenes, we often hear this screaming, high-pitched sound when TIE appears on screen. So I took one of the baby elephant samples that is appropriate to open the flyby sound. Same processing as before. And that's what we have. But I wanted to add some spaceship or jet element to spice up the sound, so I took a sample of Jet Fighter and put it below. No processing at all. At the end, of course, we can play with Doppler, panning or other stuff to make sure our sound is properly placed in space. And that's it. A quick way to do something that might sound like TIE Fighter. I was looking through some videos on YouTube and I guess I am the first one who did this. Let's try to do a challenge. Try to do your own TIE Fighter sounds, post it on YouTube with hashtag Tie Flyby and paste a link on my Discord channel. If there will be any submissions, I will review them all and make a video about them. So again, please join me on my recently launched Discord and see you in the next videos. May the Force be with you.